For my final project for CS50, I've made a coder and decoder pair, which merges the idea of the Virginia encryption as well as Huffman compression. And here's the coder, which has the coder main function here and all the helping function here. And this makefile makes the executable. And the decoder is slightly more complicated, where I borrow the forest and the tree construct that helps me to make the binary search tree. So here's a coder file. First, it's being encrypted, and the encrypted file is stored in a temporary file. This temporary file is rewinded, then turned into ones and zeros in another file. This another file is then rewinded and turned into the binary file. And the coder functions used here are, as well as the struct here, are these functions. And this struct contains some of the vital informations which I need in decoding function. The decoding works in the opposite way. First, it puffs the file up, which is pretty much what we did in CS6. Then this puffed up file is then rewinded, then decrypted using decrypt. And here is some of the functions I've used in doing so. Okay, let's actually test it out. And, let's make coder. And actually, let's bring some of the files in. Let's bring these files. I think due to time constraint, I won't be able to show you every file. So coder and test.txt, test.binary, test. And then, as you can see, that the binary file is indeed smaller than the other one. And due to the previous experience, I'll actually do this first, and I'll show you the decoding at the same time, because the encryption actually takes a while. Shake start binary shakes. Okay, let's go to the decryption. Make decoder. A lot of things. Decoder test file, was it? Test.txt and text.binary test.txt. And let's compare them. You can see they're the same file. The one encodes and the one decodes. Let's see if the Shakespeare file is ready. Okay, the Shakespeare file is ready. Let's decode that. Let's check. and they're the same.